Hide all warnings in ipython. I need to produce a screencast of an ipython session, and to avoid confusing viewers, I want to disable all warnings emitted by warnings.warn calls from different packages. Is there a way to configure the ipython file to automatically disable all such warnings?
Place inside .ipython/profile_default/startup/disable warnings.py. Quite often it is useful to see a warning once. This can be set by
I hide the warnings in the pink boxes by running the following code in a cell.
The accepted answer does not work in Jupyter, at least when using some libraries. The JavaScript solutions here only hide warnings that are already showing but not warnings that would be shown in the future. To hide/unhide warnings in Jupyter and JupyterLab, I wrote the following script that essentially toggles CSS to hide/unhide warnings.
For JupyterLab, this should work at Alastra.
Ja uwant to sejmore, lasy są sider substreaming.